We'll guide you through how to download and install Davinci Resolve. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Davinci Resolve is a great video editing tool, so first of all you need to go and open up a web browser like so. Now just come to a search engine and you can go and search for Davinci Resolve. The official site is blackmagicdesign.com, and what you can do is go and scroll down like so, and you should go and see the option free download now. When you click there, you can then go and choose the version you want. The version on the left here is the free one, so in this case I'll go and click on Windows like so. Now what you need to do is go and fill in this form in order to go and download it. After you've filled it out, you can tap on register and download at the bottom, and the download should automatically start. If it doesn't, you can click on it, but you can see it's now downloading, so go and wait. Open up your file explorer, go over to the left and click on downloads, and you should go and find it. It's a zip file, so what you need to do is go and select it, then right click it, and you can go and click on extract all and click on extract. When it's finished, the folder will go and open and you can then go and run the installer. So go and double click on it like so, and it's now going to start the process. You'll get a Windows security pop-up which you need to agree to, and then we can go and see the components we need to install, leave them ticked or go and tick them if you needed. Then tap install and it will start. We've now got the setup wizard. I'll click next. Make sure you read through the license agreement. I already have, and press next. And then you can choose where you want to install it. That's fine, I'll press next, and then we can press install. Now to complete the installation, we need to go and restart our computer. So what you can do is go and click yes. After you've restarted your computer, you can then go and run Davinci Resolve. So go and double click on the shortcut or search it at the bottom. And just like that, here we are in Davinci Resolve. We can then go and make a new project and we can go and start editing. It's that simple.